You know that you can make
Money is useless until it is used. $1 billion or 1 billion friends. Which would you take?
Yo, what's going on, guys?
You don't need money, dude. You need people. People have the next money you want. You should put money in the marketing. You should promote yourself, not put money where you and the kids live.
What's going on, guys? Lux Crypto here, back at it with another video, another moon gem video for you guys. And today we're going to be discussing Amazy, guys. All right. Now, this is probably the most amazing move and earn app of 2022. And they have an app, the Amazy app. And you've probably heard about them, guys. You buy NFT sneakers, you walk, you run, and you will earn tokens. Then you can exchange the tokens for real money. Now, I've already downloaded the application and have some sneakers, and I'm easily earning $45+ a day just by walking for a little while, which is great, guys. And we're going to go ahead and go over all the reasons why this project is very promising. And I will show you some of the sneakers and how the application works. So let's get it, guys. And once again, guys, I showed it at the beginning, but here you can see the top of their website, guys. Really awesome designs, and there is one of their sneakers, and here is another sneaker as well for you guys to check out. They have really awesome designs with these NFTs, really great stuff, and it seems better than all of the rest of these types of apps and websites, guys. Now, this application is available on Google Play and iOS, guys, and I will be leaving the links in the description below for you. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research because they do have a crypto token backing this project, the AMT token, and we'll talk about more of that here shortly. All right, guys, so check this out. Here we are inside of my app. And as you can see, I have a level 16 Ranger. Now I have other sneakers as well, but this is the one I use because I'm kind of slow. So I like to keep the pace down a little bit when I'm walking. But as you can see, guys, here's everything. Here's all the details. You can see all of your earnings in the dashboard, everything like that. Once you get into the app, you can see all of your NFTs that you own. And once you want to start walking, you'll go ahead and press continue, and that will start your walk. Okay, so I did a little walk today for you guys, and I'm going to show you my progress as I went on. So here we are getting into the walk. As you can see, I'm walking about 4 kilometers per hour. And in just about 3 minutes, guys, I've already earned 4.82 AMT tokens. Now, about 110 tokens or so is about $50, guys. And now right here, I had been walking for just about 9 minutes or so, and I was going about 4.9 kilometers per hour. It varies as you walk slower and faster, so you earn more or less. But as you can see, guys, in just about 9 minutes, just under 10 minutes, I've already earned 16 tokens, guys. That is massive because, as I said, just over 100 tokens is about $50. So you can actually earn a lot doing the walking on this app, guys, okay? And finally, guys, after walking for a total of about 17 minutes, I have earned 26.49 tokens, guys. That is pretty good in just under 20 minutes. So if you put that together, guys, basically within about an hour, hour and a half, you guys can easily earn $50 in tokens by getting to 110 tokens. You can walk around for an hour or two, and you guys will totally make a lot of money using this app, guys. The AMT tokens are swappable into BUSD. You can cash these out, guys. So you definitely should check it out because, as you can see, like I said, in just about 17 minutes here, I've made 26 tokens already, guys. That is a lot for a very short walk. You don't have to rush either. You just keep walking and you make money. So you're going to get exercise. They're encouraging you to move by giving you the incentive of tokens. So all in all, guys, Amazy is a really awesome, challenging fitness app with GameFi features, and you guys can get their NFTs and start walking to make money right away, guys. All you have to do is get some virtual sneakers, take a walk or jog, and you will earn AMT tokens every single time that you go on a walk. All right, guys. Now, this project has been created by a team that has developed dozens of mobile games with over 2 billion installs, guys. So this is going to be massive. You definitely want to get in now before it's too late and before the token skyrockets, guys. Get the app, get to walking, and earn you some tokens right now. If you find this video useful in any way, please drop a like down below and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to bring you these awesome crypto videos. And with that being said, guys, Lux Crypto out.